Hello everyone, let's start with today's class. Shankaracharya uses Dakshinamurti Stotram to explain few things. Life beyond time is compared as the sprout of a seed. So it compares the world like the sprout of a seed. Atma beyond three states is not in the form of the body but in the form of consciousness, right? So day to day we are experiencing all the three states: waking state, dream state and sleep state. Daily we are experiencing all this due to Maya Shakti. So the world is coming from consciousness and resolved into consciousness due to Maya Shakti. So world which is projected within time. Why? Because being as a jiva, I don't know about entire world. What I know only three states of experiences. I know only this Mithya world. I don't know about the Turiya Atma, which is Brahman. I don't know anything. So that's why the world is projected as within time. So the world is coming from consciousness and resolved into consciousness due to Maya Shakti. The Adhishtanam, which is the truth, is consciousness. And the Maya Shakti is beyond time. So Adhishtanam is consciousness. From Adhishtanam, the time is born and going to the unmanifest condition due to Maya Shakti. Anything which is in time, within time, is Brahman. What is Brahman? In the last class we have discussed. Brahman means nothing but Omkara, which is nothing but Turiyam. So anything within time is Brahman, which is Omkara, and beyond time, that is also Brahman only, Omkara only. So anything within time and beyond time is Brahman, nothing but Omkara. And the owner of Maya Shakti is Nirguna Brahman. The Jagrat Kala, we have seen three states, right? Waking, dream and sleep state. The Jagrat Kala is available within Jagrat Avastha, but not Jagrat Avastha is available within Jagrat Kala. Here see one thing, vice versa is not possible here. The state of consciousness means state of consciousness means Jagrat Avastha. Jagrat Kala means time of consciousness. So always remember, state of consciousness is always higher than a time of consciousness, right? But not the vice versa. So Swapna Kala is always available within Swapnavastha, but vice versa is not possible. The Adhara is Avastha and Adheya is time. These are the technical terms. So what is this superset? Superset is state of consciousness and subset is time of consciousness. All the three avasthas are Kalatita. Kalatita means beyond time. So everything beyond time is Omkara. So Avastha is also Omkara only. And Kala is also Omkara only. So state of consciousness is Omkara and time of consciousness is also Omkara only. So everything is Omkara only. So Omkara is without any restriction. That means unrestricted meaning is taken in Upanishad. Therefore, it is worth enough to do Omkara analysis. This is the gist of the first mantra of Mandukya. So finally Shankaracharya is saying it is worth enough to do Omkara analysis. Coming to the Bhashyam, that means commentary of Shankaracharya. Tika is the sub-commentary of Shankaracharya's Bhashyam. See, it has every verse is having a meaning. After that, it has a commentary. After that, it has a sub-commentary also, that is called Tika. So, coming to this Tika, Abhidhanam and Abhideya. Two words are explained here. What is Abhidhanam? What is Abhideya? Let's see. Abhidhanam means the world of objects. And what is Abhideya? Abhideya means meaning of world of objects. Let's say Abhidhanam is an object. What is Abhideyam? Meaning of object. It's very simple. So Abhidhanam means revealer. Revealer is in the form of words. What is Abhideyam? Revealed one. Revealed, that means its meaning. So Abhidhanam means revealer. Abhideyam means revealed one. In Chandogya Upanishad, the name and form are taken as a world. In Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, the name, form and action, everything are taken as a world. So each Upanishad is having a different style and it has a different commentary in it. So he has used, Shankaracharya is used all Upanishads and even Dakshinamurti Stotram also to explain multiple things for us in this Mandukya Upanishad. So in Chandogya, name and form are taken as a world, and Brihadaranyaka, name, form and action are taken as a world. So the world consists of name, form and action. And the source of all these three is sound. So the source of name, form and action is sound. What is that sound? Omkara, Om sound. The common term of all these three is sound only. So all these three are taken to describe the entire universe. We have taken name, form and action to describe the entire universe. And what is the source of these things? Sound. Omkara sound. So Omkara is this universe. And what is Omkara? A, U, Ma. Three matras, right? A-U-M. A, U, Ma. And the fourth factor, silence. So A, U, Ma and silence. These four are the four components of Omkara. A, U, Ma are Vachartha. That means direct meaning of Omkara. That means the sound Om. And the last component, the fourth component, silence, that is Lakshyartha, which is the indicative meaning of Omkara. So Omkara has two different meanings. One is direct meaning, that is A, U, Ma. Those are nothing but Vachartha, which is the direct meaning. And the silence, the silent matra of Omkara, that is Lakshyartha, which is the indicative meaning of Omkara. These three components, A, U, Ma, comes under Saguna Brahma. And silence matra comes under Turiya Atma, which is the Nirguna part. These A, U, Ma, which is the Saguna part components, represents three padas. What are those padas? Pradama pada, Dvitiya pada and Tritiya pada. The Pradama pada is Virat. We have seen three technical terms at semester level, right? Of three states, that is waking state, dream state and sleep state. What are the technical terms? Virat, Hiranyagarbha and Antaryami. So, Pradama pada is Virat, which is Ishvara, which is the entire cosmos, which is physical universe. Pradama pada represents Virat, which is entire cosmos. And coming to the Dvitiya Pada is Hiranyagarbha. That means subtle cosmos. What is subtle cosmos? Position of stars, planets, and the law of gravitation which governs the universe. And coming to Tritiya Pada, which is Antaryami, that is causal prapancha. That is whatever punya papa which we have accumulated at cosmos, that comes under causal prapancha. This Srishti, universe, comes due to the causal prapancha changes. So all these are at cosmic level. The sound reveals Virat, but it is not equal to Virat. That sound Om, Omkara sound that reveals Virat, but is not exactly equals to Virat. Revealer is word. Revealed one is object. So, how to describe this? For example, let's say sugar. Sugar name, by name sugar is different, but actual object sugar is different, right? So that's what they are saying. So the sound reveals Virat, but not exactly equals to Virat. Sugar name is different and the sugar object is different. That is what Purva Pakshi says. So there is a revealer and revealed connection here. So, but not the oneness. So, only revealer and revealed connection is there. It is not exactly the oneness. Equality is not there. Similarity is there. That's it. Only connection is there. Revealer, revealed connection. That's what Shankaracharya is saying. So, there is a oneness at Lakshartha level of Omkara and Lakshartha level of the whole world. So oneness is at Lakshartha level, but it is not at Vachartha level. That means at Atma level there is a oneness, but not at all the levels of three avasthas. Jagrata avastha, Swapna avastha, all these avasthas level, oneness is not there. Only at Atma level, Turiya level, oneness is there. At Jivatma and Paramatma, Shankaracharya used Lakshartha. So, there is a oneness at Lakshartha level. The word object has a revealer and revealed connection. So, the Vachartha and Lakshartha are two different entities. So, where is the oneness here? Oneness is at Lakshartha level of Omkara, but not at Vachartha level. In the silence of two Omkaras, that means when we chant when we do Omkara Japa, while chanting Om, there is a silence between two Omkaras, right? That's in the silence of two Omkaras, the consciousness which reveals the silence is there. So, from nothing, whole universe is coming. So, here there is no oneness. Oneness is not there. In Turiyam, the Abhidanam and Abhideya Sambandha is not there. Only at Lakshartha level there is a oneness. That is nothing but Nirguna Brahman. Where exactly silence is there? Between two Omkaras, silence exists, right? Only there is a oneness. That is nothing but Nirguna Brahman. In Saguna Brahman level, oneness is not there. That means only in Lakshartha level, oneness is there. At Vachartha level, oneness is not there. In the sound Om, Omkara, oneness is not there. Only oneness is there at the silence level. Silence between two Omkaras, oneness is there. So, through Omkara Vichara and Atma Vichara, we can realize our true self. That's what Shankaracharya says in this verse. So, this is what for today. Thank you all for joining. In the next class, we'll continue with the next topic. Take care. Bye.